Did the government of Jamaica ban all Christmas parties? Let's get into it.
Out in the street, they call it murder.
Hey my peeps, Wagwan, welcome back to another League Scoop video where every story matters. So, did the government of Jamaica actually ban Christmas parties? This has made its rounds on social media. Some people, they were misinformed. So, this is what the government actually announced.
Christmas parties. We have agreed to allow small in ministry or in department recognition and morale building activities. So if you're doing something in the office itself, that is fine, but no rental of external venues is allowed. We are strongly, though, encouraging all our ministries, departments, and agencies to conduct outreach activities with members of their team that have been affected and who reside in the affected areas. So we would love to see many of our ministries, departments, and agencies continuing the work that many are doing.
So basically, she said the Jamaican cabinet canceled Christmas parties for government ministries, departments, and agencies this year as a part of post-Hurricane Melissa recovery and redirect resources to affected communities. Only small in-office staff recognition activities are allowed. No external venues, events for government entities. However, some social media posts generalize this as all Christmas parties in the country, which is misleading. Take a look.
So the government of Jamaica said there will be no parties in Christmas. So if you catch keeping a party in Jamaica, you will face the full effect of the law. But it's just crazy how you can't keep a party now, but between December 25 to January 1st, you know, if you keep no party. No, me if you just wonder if the government no fuck with Christmas or something like what God do no.
Breaking news. Me a hear say Jamaica naga and no Christmas when December forward because of Melissa.
Well, Chad, 1 p.m. has spoken. There will be no Christmas parties. No Christmas parties, no gatherings. There will be curfews. So listen, I can't bother with no street party out there no more. Every single party cancel for the Christmas. Boy, Melissa just come take away everything from the people them. So no little enjoyment, nothing. Melissa gone with everything. Then no more depression on the people them are gonna fall in a chat.
So this right here is what you call misleading, misinformed. Probably they did not understand fully what was said. So I'm going to break this down for people who doesn't understand what government entity is. They are groups funded by the government to provide services and to make sure laws are being followed. Some of these entities are our schools, universities that are run by the government, police and fire department, public hospitals, city councils, ministries. So they are there to manage a country and to serve the people. These entities are funded by the public money. So this is what they were referring to, not your private party. There is no government ban on Christmas parties for the general public or private sector. Claims circulating on social media led Prime Minister Andrew Holness and his team to publicly address the rumors and said there is no ban on festive celebration for citizens and that they are misinformation that can cause confusion and undermine public order.
A rumor going around on social media that the government has banned all Christmas parties. That is not true.
So there you have it, guys. The rumors are simply not true. You still can keep your Christmas parties. Christmas is not canceled, but you still have to follow rules and procedure.
And queries are coming to me regarding permits. I want to make it clear to Jamaica and to St. Elizabeth and the promoters that we are supporting entertainment activities. We want you to apply, we go through the process, and a number of the promoters have indicated that they have alternate energy solutions. And so once the security considerations are met, we have no difficulty in approving the permits and granting you to have these events. A lot of the children, treats, we want them. In fact, the JCF, we have had 2 treats in the last week in the parish put on by the JCF. And so we're encouraging others who want to come in, who want to have these events, day or even the night. Once you can supply alternate energy, we will approve those events, providing all the requirements of the law.
So there you have it, guys. But before I leave, let me just say something. I know a lot of Jamaicans might feel discouraged this Christmas because of what they have endured for the past couple of weeks. A lot of Jamaicans have lost a lot, including their homes, belongings, money, stability. A lot of people may not have it to put on something big this Christmas. It can shift to something more quieter, more meaningful, togetherness, sharing what little you have, church, prayer, music, helping neighbors. Christmas isn't only about money, it's about community, faith, resilience, and love. Things hurricane cannot destroy. That said, it's completely okay if people don't feel festive at all. Grief, stress, and survival come first. Keeping Christmas doesn't mean pretending everything is fine. Guys, listen, man. Sometimes it means holding on to hope and caring for each other through the hard times. Okay? So yes, Christmas can still be kept, not as a celebration of abundance, but as a reminder that people still matters, even when everything else is gone. Okay? So hold up your head, guys, and don't let this ruin your Christmas vibe. So until next time, peace and love always. And don't forget to like this video, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel. And also click that notification bell to be notified whenever we drop a new video. You'll be the first to know. Until then, peace out.